Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build the contact page that actually converts. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard, and in the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps and select Smind Sections. On the Templates tab, select the contact page to filter the results. And for this example, I want to build the contact page for the real clothing store, so I'll choose the template Clothing Chew and click the Install button. In the Settings pop-up, create a new page by typing a name like My Contact Us. Click Install. And once that's finished, click Content Editor to open the Shopify theme editor. First, let's customize the rich text section at the top. And you can change the heading or description here, but honestly, the default text is usually clear enough, so we will leave it as is for this guide. Now let's configure the form fields. You'll see default fields for name, email, address, and message. This is a basic form, but it's not enough field for your store, so I want more field for the customer can fill in. Let's edit the address field and click on the text field block. Change the label to something specific if needed and toggle the option to make it required if necessary. Next, to capture more data, you have to provide more field for customer, so click Add Block and select Phone Number. This allows you to collect customer contact numbers directly. And we also want to categorize these emails. Click Add Block and select Dropdown. Change the label to something like Reason for Inquiry. Under Options, add specific reasons for the customer to choose from, such as order issue or shipping issue, to help you organize requests faster. Next, we're going to customize the Image with Text section. This builds trust by showing you are a real business. For the image, upload a high-quality photo of your physical store or your team. Now, for the layout, you need to pay attention here. Change the content max width to 500 pixels and change the section layout to be full width, no padding for a more open look. Also, find desktop media position and change the image from the left to the right side if you want. Next, let's set the top padding and bottom padding to 0 pixels to remove unnecessary white space. For the text, you need to update the heading for your real store name. And in the description, add your address, opening hours, and contact number. And here's a pro tip for you. You should use the formatting tools to add bullet points and make key details to bold text for improving scannability and guides the reader's eye to important information. Finally, let's add those service guarantees for the icon with text section below the store info. And you have to update the headings to highlight your perks like free shipping, free return, and payment secure. For each block, upload or select a matching icon that represents that service. Well, for the final quality check, before we launch, you have to preview the entire page layout on desktop to ensure the form and images are balanced. Then switch to mobile view to ensure the form fields are easy to tap and that store info is readable on small screens. If it looks solid, click Save to publish your new Contact Us page. And thanks for watching.